In this video, I would like to show you two methods on how hackers and OSINT investigators can find your email address. Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Saad from CyberSudo. Don't forget to subscribe to zSecurity and CyberSudo if you are interested in OSINT. Now, without being said, let's get started. OSINT, or Open Source Intelligence, is the art of gathering information from publicly available resources. These resources could be the internet, newspaper, or radio. So the first method that I would like to show you is how can you find the email address that is associated with a GitHub account. So let's say that you have gathered some basic information about a person and you were able to find that they have a GitHub account. And in this case, you are using Zaid's GitHub account as an example. So all you have to do is to have a look at the username and copy it. And then you can go to a website that I'll put its link in the description of this video. And all you have to do is just paste the username and then hit enter. And then this will search for all users' accounts on GitHub that have similar username. And we can see that the first search result is Zaid's GitHub account. And we can see the username, we can see the link to his blog, and the email address that is associated to this account. Now, if you were able to find someone's personal or business email address, then you will be able to find much more information about them. Information such as which usernames they are using, on which websites they are registered on, and if their email address is found in leaked database. We have explained all of this and much more in the OSINT course that I have worked on with Zaid from zSecurity, and you will find more information about this course in the link in the description. Now the question is, how can we make sure that this is the correct email address that is associated to his account? What I can do is copy the email address and then go to Google and say GitHub login, and then I'm going to click on sign in and then say forgot password, and then add the email address that I have got from the website. And then I need to solve the CAPTCHA. And here it's telling us to check our email to reset our password, which means that this email address is associated to a GitHub account. I have previously tried to enter a false email address and it gave me an error that this email is not associated to any GitHub account. So this message tells me that there is a GitHub account that is associated with this email. The second method that ethical hackers and OSINT investigators use to find your email address is by using a tool that will allow them to extract the email address from a Google document. So the first thing that you need to do is to use a Google Doc to search for someone's name, username, or anything that is related to them. And if you were able to find a document that is indexed by Google, then you can copy the URL and put it in the tool that I would like to show you. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to search for anything related to Zaid Sabih that is found in a Google document indexed by Google. So we are going to use a Google operator called cite, which will allow us to get only search results from a specific website. And in this case, I would like to search on docs.google.com. And then I would like to search for the term Zaid Sabih within 2 quotation marks. This will make sure that we only search for this word and not any similar word. Because as we know, Google will sometimes give you some suggestions that might help you to find what you are looking for. So I'm going to hit enter. And here we can see that we have 4 Google spreadsheets or 4 Google documents. And here we have a title programming courses on Udemy. Let me open it. And we can see that there are multiple courses in this list that redirect to another website. Now the question is, how can we find the owner or the creator of this document? All you have to do is just to copy the URL. Then you are going to download this tool that you'll find its link in the resources of this lecture. And this tool will allow you to fetch information about a specific document. And here we can see that this is how the tool can be used, and it could find email addresses from Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Spreadsheets, and more. In my case, It only worked with Google Docs. So installing this tool is very simple and easy. All you have to do is just to copy this command and then open the terminal as root. And then we are going to paste the command that we have copied from the documentation and then hit enter. And in my case, it's already installed. After this, you need to copy the URL of the document and then come back and then type the tool name like this and then the URL that we have copied like this. And then I'm going to hit enter. And now it's analyzing this document and give us some information about the owner of this document. So we can see the creation date, the modification date, which is very recent, as well as the owner name of this document and the email address that has been used to create this document. In addition to all of that, we were also able to get the Google ID, which we can use to find Google reviews on Google Maps. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to zSecurity and to CyberSudo to get more information about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and OSINT.